Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Indian Express एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन सेकंड आर्टिकल ए होलो रोर। आज आपका इंडियन एक्सप्रेस का आर्टिकल काफ़ी अच्छा आर्टिकल आया, उसको हम डिक्टेट करेंगे एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। इन ए डेमोक्रेसी पावर फ्लोज फ्रॉम द पीपल and elected governments act as custodians of the mandate. The political class, however, often thinks it can justify its own worst habits, from undermining constitutional norms to gagging dissent in the name of the people. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev's speech to a gathering of civil servants on Saturday is an example of this kind of hubris. The BJP Chief Minister reportedly assured bureaucrats that they do not need to fear being hauled up for contempt of court as the head of the executive. Dev claimed he stood between the bureaucracy and any penal action ordered by the judiciary. The threat of contempt of court was no tiger to be afraid of. He said, "I am the tiger." The bravado does not hide the sheer hollowness of this argument in a constitutional democracy. The executive is only one part of the government. It is accountable to the legislature, subject to the checks of the judiciary, and bound by the rules of the game enshrined in the constitution. Of course, in Tripura too, as in many other states, power is increasingly being centralized in the office of the chief minister, who holds multiple portfolios and runs the state through a coterie of bureaucrats. Moreover, Debt has shown a maverick persona, often reckless about political niceties, even as he is seen to be popular leader. But neither popularity nor his office must allow him to believe or to project that a check on executive powers is a curb on democratic authority. His office does not place him above the law. Debt is not alone in such excess and overreach, of course. The cult of the strong leader means that successes in the electoral fray are often sought to be weaponized by governments to curb dissent and diminish countervailing institutions. The mandate is seen not just to legitimize rule by the majority, but as a license for majoritarianism. In such a political model, the winner takes all the and leaves diminishing space for discussion and deliberations through the legislatures. The imperative to build consensus on controversial laws, respect for minority rights and civil liberties. When the executive seeks to appropriate executive power, it is the judiciary's duty and responsibility to raise the red flags, hold it to account, and enforce constitutional principles and morality. By appearing to question the judiciary's remit, the Tripura chief minister draws unflattering attention to himself and also does grave disservice to the high office he holds. Full stop.